2, 3. Bueno, salud.
Are you recording me right now?
No,
I feel like you
not
should have to
not
tell
necessarily.
people.
I charge you 500 pesos.
Okay.
Let's go.
Alright, sweet. Let's go.
Just landed in Mexico, trying to capture the spontaneity of travel through my eyes in first person.
¿Se quiere perder?
Sí, sí.
No.
¿Vuelves a bailar?
And? Stefan, nice to meet you too.
You as a viewer get to meet people as I do, some who tag along and become bigger characters on the show.
Evan, cool. Stefan, nice to meet you.
Arizona.
Stefan,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's up? This is Joey. Joey, gáralo, come on. No tiene miedo.
I'm gonna drink a couple of beers.
It's my first beer in Mexico, so. No.
Con money.
How much? So how much?
No problem.
Yo, it's my phone, man. Hey, not cool.
Yo, let's fucking get out of here, dude. I'm not getting
I'm gonna come back, alright?
Alright,
And you got my number too. What's up, man?
Good?
Yeah.
Film my life and travel with these glasses and film the beautiful moments and natural interactions that occur. So, welcome.
Let me record a few things on my eyes.